In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can log into a prop firm account on MetaTrader 4. So the first thing that we need to do is open up our MetaTrader 4. And then once you open up MetaTrader 4, you will now be on the quotes page. From here, you want to go to the bottom right hand corner, click on settings. And then once we click on settings, you need to select new account. Once we click on new account, select login to an existing account. And then from this page, you will now be able to search for the prop firm and also obviously the server that you will need to be on. So if we go to the search bar, for example, I will then search for FTMO. Now what you will need to do is you will need to go to your email or your FTMO dashboard to find out which server that you will need to be on. So for example, I will click on FTMO server 2. From here, you will now be able to enter in your login and also your password, which FTMO will email you or whatever prop firm you are using, and they will also be able to locate this on your dashboard also. Once you enter in this information, just simply click on sign in the top right hand corner, and then once we click on sign in, that will mean that you have logged in to a prop firm account on MetaTrader 4.